Look no further than bstjersey.com, your trusted destination for authentic and affordable jerseys from all the major sports leagues. From the gridiron of the NFL to the hardwood of the NBA, we've got you covered with an extensive collection of officially licensed merchandise. At bstjersey.com, we understand the unwavering dedication and pride that comes with being a true sports fan. That's why we've curated a vast selection of high-quality jerseys that not only look great but also allow you to showcase your team spirit with unmatched enthusiasm. From iconic NFL jerseys to sleek NBA apparel, our collection spans a wide range of styles, sizes, and player options, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your game day attire. But what sets us apart is our commitment to offering unbeatable prices on our premium jerseys. We believe that every fan deserves to own their favorite player's jersey without breaking the bank. At bstjersey.com, you'll find a fantastic combination of quality and affordability, with our cheap NFL jersey, cheap MLB jersey, cheap NBA jersey, cheap soccer jersey, and cheap NHL jersey options. Shopping with us is a breeze, thanks to our user-friendly website and secure checkout process. Simply browse through our vast collection, select your desired jersey, and have it shipped directly to your doorstep. And if you're part of our exclusive Discord VIP community, you'll enjoy even more perks and benefits, truly elevating your shopping experience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your game day experience. Head over to bstjersey.com today and explore our extensive collection of jerseys. For those watching this video, be sure to check out the link in the description box to access our website directly. And if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us via WhatsApp at +44 7495 078090. At bstjersey.com, we're more than just a jersey retailer, we're a community of passionate sports fans united by our love for the game. Join us today and let your favorite team's colors shine bright, no matter where you are. Represent your team, your city, and your pride with bstjersey.com's premium jerseys. Explore our products now, wear your favorite jersey, and cheer for your team like never before.